Today, we're cruising through the best 8 wireless CarPlay adapters to keep your drive smooth and connected. First up, we have the HaMeby Wireless CarPlay Adapter, your ticket to lightning-fast, cable-free driving. With this little powerhouse, you can convert your wired CarPlay to wireless with zero delay. It uses Bluetooth 5.3 and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, ensuring a seamless connection every time. Within just 10 seconds, it connects your phone, and with 3-second auto connect, you're good to go. The sleek, compact design ensures there's no more tangled mess and no more wear and tear on your cables. Plus, it's perfectly built to handle long drives with metal edges that prevent overheating. Next, we've got the Amsfeel Mini Wireless CarPlay Adapter. It's ultra slim, stylish, and brings full CarPlay functionality into your car wirelessly. Perfect for those who want to enjoy navigation, music, and calls without the clutter. This little guy is compatible with 800+ car models and works with iPhones 6 and newer. Plus, its compact design means it won't take up much space in your car, making it as functional as it is sleek. If you're after the ultimate seamless experience, check out the Gemloose Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This is a total game changer, offering ultra-fast connectivity with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and a 7A microchip that boosts your connection by 40%. That's right, expect quicker maps, music, and messaging all without the hassle of wires. Plus, this compact adapter has been tested over 50,000 insertions, so it's built to last. It's durable, easy to use, and works instantly. Just plug it in and you're ready to roll. Want something that's plug and play with zero setup? The Wireless Wireless CarPlay Adapter is your answer. Simply plug it in and you're good to go. No more fumbling with cables. It works with iPhone 10 and newer and supports over 800 car models, so it's incredibly versatile. Not only is it quick and easy, but this adapter also delivers high-quality audio, so you can enjoy your music and calls just like you did with wired CarPlay, but without the mess. Next up, we've got the Vanilla Gold 2024 Upgrade Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This is perfect for drivers who want a fast, dual-band connection that keeps everything running smoothly. Whether you're using Bluetooth 2.4 GHz or Wi-Fi 2+5 GHz, you're guaranteed stable and fast performance. With zero latency, you'll get instant responses for navigation, music, and calls. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of cars from 2015 onwards, making it a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their CarPlay setup. The Fuium Wireless CarPlay Adapter might be just what you need. This one supports Netflix, YouTube, and even comes with a TF card slot, so you can enjoy media while on the road. Yes, you heard that right, Netflix in your car. Plus, it supports Android Auto, so whether you have an iPhone or an Android, this adapter is perfect for switching seamlessly between systems. It's a truly multifunctional solution for all your CarPlay needs. Meet the CarPlaykits Wireless Adapter. It's a plug-and-play solution that turns your wired CarPlay into wireless. No more fumbling with cables. Just plug it in and enjoy instant connection with your iPhone running iOS 10 or higher. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3, you'll get ultra-low latency under 1 second for navigation, music, calls, and more. Plus, it's super compact and fits easily without taking up space. It's compatible with over 800 car models, making it a versatile upgrade for your car. Last but not the least, the effortlessly U2CR Pro Wireless Adapter, your easy gateway to a wireless CarPlay experience. Just turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and bam! Your CarPlay is ready to go. Works with iPhones running iOS 11 or higher, and provides a super fast, stable connection, even if you're on a call when you hop in. No interruptions, no waiting. Whether it's for music, navigation, or calls, the U2CR Pro delivers low latency for an enjoyable, uninterrupted experience. So, whether you're looking for speed, ease of use, or extra features, these wireless CarPlay adapters have you covered. Thank you.